Pero yun, grade 1 na siya. Wow, good job. And in a regular school. Why? What's wrong? Is this our life? The name of our coffee shop. Ang importante na nag-organize kayo.
Welcome to our back channel. It's September 28th, is it?
Today is September 28th.
And it's Saturday, no class for me.
But you have exam. Correct?
We always want to... Oh, hi, Bane. Hi, but can you use us later? Okay. I use this.
Water. Feifei. You don't have baso, Achi? Achi. Mommy. Hi guys! It's Mommy Doc again and welcome to the vlog. And my kids are so excited, as you can see. They are the one that always tell me na, Mommy, let's vlog na. Mommy, let's vlog na, Mommy. It's also one of the reason why I still continue with my channel. Kahit na konti lang yung nanonood. No, Achi, no? Kasi the vlog daw is for them, is for us. Parang meron yan kasi talaga na time na talagang nanonood kami ulit ng mga vlog namin. I just feel so thankful sa lahat ng mga nangyayari. And we see the difference talaga. Ay, sorry. Yun ng family namin before. At sa ngayon. If you are following me since the start, yun, mapapansin niyo yun. Yung mga naging journey namin as a family. We started our day very late. Kasi it's already 9? No, it's not 9 na. It's lunchtime.
It's 12.
It's 12, yeah. We're having lunch. Kasi, ang daming nangyari. Hindi ko na makita yung, yung ginagamit ko na parang stand sa phone kapag nagpa-vlog ako, yung vlogging stand ko. So, hindi kami nakapag-start kanina. And ang nangyari na lang is I started my task for the day. Kakain kami muna. Our Kai-Kai is at, oh no! Kai-Kai, get the butterfly! Naglagay kasi kami kanina ng parang butterfly. Nako, nag-aaway na agad yan. Kai! Kai! We can fix it again later na lang, ha? It's okay, we can fix it again. Oh my God, nangangati ako, as in, grabe.
And there's lots of mirrors everywhere.
Yeah! Look, grabe, ang dami. Kasi nga, yun nga, naglinis ako ng bahay. Kanina naglaba, ang dami. Lahat ng chores at ginagawa ko kasi every Saturday. Kasi I don't have work, day off ko today. And nag-declutter kami. May mga checklist ako na dapat kong gawin for today. So first, na tinakol ko, basta yung sa under namin ng stairs, as hindi pa ako tapos. So I'm taking it very slow, especially kapag may mga kids ka na nanggugulo, hindi mo talaga siya malinis in one standing, isang linisan kasi ang gulo, as in. And kanina yun nga, nagtatapon na ako ng mga basura lahat. Ang dami kasing eras dito sa place namin. Parang season ata nila. And pumapasok minsan sa bahay. Pero kanina, yung mga around dito, no, grabe, kaya ang kate. May ointment ako, lalagyan ko na lang mamaya. Kakain muna kami. Nagluto si Mami ng chicken soup. Supas, para sa kanya na favorite yan dito sa bahay. Let's eat first, Faye. Come back here na, let's eat. What's up? Kai! Kai, don't iwan, Mommy. Oh. Kai, your feet is very dirty. Kai, come here. shipping yung delivery from Shopee. Yan yung tinatayuan niya. I think that's okay. It's an ice chest, a big one. Kaya, share ko mamaya sa inyo. I think, ang pinaka-last na video na na-post ko, we are sharing about something na plan namin sa family na magsa-start. It's a business plan. And honestly, ongoing na siya. Kailan ba ako last na nag-start? Kasi at that time, talagang nagplano kami, tapos konti-unti parang sinart siya namin sa family. And hanggang ngayon, June, July, August, September, 3 months na siya. 3 months nang nag-i-exist ang business namin. Later, I'll show it to you. That's one sa pinaka-ano, parang excited ako na i-share sa inyo. Also, one of the reason kung bakit nag-stop muna ako ng vlogging kasi nag-concentrate ako nung nag-start kami nung business. Hi, baby girl. Nung nag-start kami, so syempre, it will really take time kasi may work kami ni Daddy, both of us, tapos sa ministry, with the kids, papasok ng school si Ellie, lahat ng yun. So, yun, kaya sabi ko kay Achi talaga, I talk to her na hindi mo na magbablog si Mami, hindi mo na magpo-post kasi syempre, ako lang naman yung nag-shoot, ako din ang nag-edit ng mga video ko, and it really takes time, parang gano'n. So ngayon, unti-unti na kasi parang nakasettle down na kami, nakahanap kami ulit ng parang routine, lahat-lahat ng yon. Achi! Nanonood sila ng Mother Goose Club. Ayan. Kaya nagsising and dance sila. Aba! Why are you wearing everything? How about Kai Kai? Kai! Our 3 girls na sobrang magkaiba ang mga personality. As in. Because? Why are we in the car?
We're gonna buy water and...
Yeah, naubusan kami ng tubig.
Guys!
No shouting.
Yeah.
Diyan lang sa may, as in, dito lang talaga sa corner lang namin. Kaya sama lahat ng mga kids. Okay naman sila with this. Okay, wait lang. Everybody behave. We're here na, we're waiting na lang sa water. Kasi nagre-refill lang kasi kami. So, yun ang ginagawa namin. Tapos mabuti na lang, malapit lang talaga dito sa bahay. Nasa ano lang siya, dito lang talaga sa kanto namin. She's telling me na I'm not letting her vlog daw. Watching here na the video. Okay, what do you want to tell them?
Hi, my name is Ellie and...
Actually, is that good? Di ba what did you learn in your computer class? The private information you should not share online. You just share everything. Di ba? What are the things that you will not share online? Your name, your address, your birthday. Is that correct? It's also online, so everybody can watch it. Ang ganda kasi nung nila, nagsa-study kasi kami kasi next week exam nila. Yung sinadi namin is yung computer nila. She's in grade 1, diba? I shared it last. Hindi ko na-share. Kasi yun yung palang kami, parang we take a break sa vlogging. Pero yun, grade 1 na siya. Wow, good job. And in a regular school, same pa rin na school. So yun, sa computer class nila, isa sa mga discussion nila is what are the informations you cannot share online. And meron ding information na pwede mong i-share online. What are the things that you can just share, you can share online?
My favorite food.
Your favorite food, your hobbies, your likes, like that. Diba you can share it? YouTube is also an online platform. It's like when you put your video in YouTube, anyone can watch it. It's online.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like in a computer.
Okay.
There na the water.
Oh.
Fei? Liliana Fei. And how old are you?
I'm 3.
You're 3.
I'm getting big now.
You are big, no?
Not yet.
Who is bigger, Achi or Fei?
No, don't talk.
Ala, Kai is here na. There na. We will wait lang the water to finish.
Help me. Can you help me? Dad.
Why? What's wrong?
He's gonna go here. I need him to go here.
Kai also talking. Sige mo na, mama. Mama. We're home na. Can you see that? Our daddy is awake na. Oh, yung face niyo. Nag-adjust pa talaga siya sa night shift. Hindi siya well rested. Pero, ano pa lang na 1 week pa lang? 2 weeks.
Magto 2 weeks pa lang.
2 weeks. 2 weeks na night shift siya. And even me, I'm adjusting. The kids. Is this our life? Is this?
Is this the real life?
Parang feeling ko wala akong may natapos for today. Ano ba to yung tawag nila? Yung mga mommies daw na kapag may naiisip, naiiwan, tapos tatalo naman sa other task. Parang yun ang nangyayari. Kanina pa. Pero sabi ko naman sa inyo, parang nasanay na talaga ako with that setup, especially if you have 3 kids. I don't know if mommies out there na may 3 anak din, kahit 2 or 1, nakakaintindi ba? Mag-set ka talaga ng expectations na, okay, hindi ko ito matatapos, kaya there will be a lot of things that will be happening. Kung matatapos ko siya, praise God. It's a blessing. Kapag hindi ko siya matapos, it's okay. It's part of it. Ganun siya. Then, there's come a point na ako naman sa work ko, with our ministry and even with daddy kasi there's a lot of changes. Nawalan kasi sila ng clients, so kailangan niya maghanap ng bago, parang ganun. So nakahanap siya, praise God, and it has a very very good offer talaga. Pero yun nga lang, yung setup niya is a night shift. Yung naisip kasi namin, nasa bahay lang naman, maybe it will not be like before. Ito kami nilagay ngayon ni Lord, so we are waiting, we are listening kung ano talaga ang plano ni Lord for us, and we're taking it parang one day at a time. Yeah, it's, kita nyo ba? Tea Bruce. Yan. That's the name of our coffee shop. I shared it before, sa last na video, yung tawag dito, yung plan namin. Na parang nagkaroon kami ng business plan. It started yun, nung nagpadumagete kami, diba? Tapos yun, na-realize namin na we can do it in our house, paunti-unti lang. And it's working na for 3 months. So, ayos yung bahay namin ngayon. Sobrang andaming yung mga gamit for the business. Andito siya kasi it's a delivery and take-out na setup lang. So, hindi take-out, pick up. So, pinipick up nila, nag-order sila sa amin, and delivery. Kung magpapadeliver through yung mga delivery apps, yung nag-apply talaga kami, inuna namin, is GrabFood. We're in GrabFood and Foodpanda. So, yun talaga yung nagsasustain sa amin. Then, just last month, pumasok kami sa mga pop-up, yung mga pop-up lang na mga event, na mga weekend lang. So, pumasok kami last time, that's our first time. So, nagkaroon kami ng pop-up booth. Coffee area namin, diba? Kung saan ako, I think na-share ko, napakita ko yun sa iyo before, when I make coffee, you know how I love making coffee. So, yun na parang naging business area namin. Nagdagdag lang ako ng mga cabinets for the things na kailangan. Tapos, bumili kami ng parang chest type. Chest type ba yun? Yes, na freezer. Pero lahat na yun, paunti-unti yung pagbili namin. Bumili din kami ng parang ice maker, bumili kami ng parang sandwich maker, paunti-unti siya while the need arise. Kasi hindi kami pwedeng parang in one whole, like mentioned ko nga kanina, we are still working. So parang we do it in our pastime or in our free time, in our day off, ganun siya. Pero dito lang talaga sa bahay. So, open ng shop namin, delivery, lahat ng yun. I did not expect ni Daddy na umabot kami sa ganun. Kasi madami kami naging experience with that. How nag-set up kami nung sa business namin. Talagang pinanasa sa lahat yung mga government requirements. If you want, I can share it with you in another video kung paano ako nag-start. Really, parang nasa heart ko naman talaga na ma-share yan siya sa inyo because I know, tawag na to, it's part of us, especially tayo may mga family, na really to parang nasa, palagi yung at the back of our mind, "Ay, maybe I can start a business." Parang ganun. But sometimes, we don't have the capability to start big, to invest big. So, pwede siyang small, paunti-unti lang siya. Pero, it really takes time. Matrabaho siya. At the mga first sa mga times, kahit ngayon din naman, I sleep very late, early akong nagigising just to think about the business, i-prepare yung mga cookies, yung cookies kasi so nagbe-bake ako ahead of time, sa gabi, talagang ang dami mong ang daming i-prepare. So, you really need, the first is kapag papasukin mo to, hindi siya madali. So, dapat bigay mo yung everything mo. Hindi siya na, okay, sige, sa start namin to, okay, mag-grow lang yan by itself. Hindi siya ganon. Yun kasi, nag-continue pa rin ako with my social media. Yun, even mga brands na I work with, kasi yung mga brand ko ngayon, I work with them parang a year talaga, parang yun yung mga contract ko. So, hindi naman yung pwedeng putulin ko lang, diba? So, I still continue working with them. Mga once in a while, meron pa rin kumukuha ako. Minsan kapag hindi kaya, syempre hindi ko siya kinukuha. Mga kids ngayon, it's their nap time. Ano siya yung nagnanap naman lang is si Kai Kai. And Fei Fei. Fei Fei go down? Yung Fei Fei kasi ngayon, nasa point siya, 3 years old na siya. So, sa point siya na magnanap pa ba siya o hindi. Pero syempre, hindi kaya ng katawan niya na hindi magnap. Pero kasi sinusunod niya si Achi niya, yung ate niya. Syempre, hindi nagnanap kasi grade school, nag-aaral na whole day. So, pinipilit niya. So, minsan talaga sobrang antok na antok siya, ganun. So, ngayon, dapat magnanap na yan. Bumaba daw, sabi ni Daddy, kumain ng bread. Tamo lang. Big thing na ginawa sa amin ni Lord. Parang may sinashepherd kami ngayon na service. Ayaw naming tawaging pastor. And I'm not yet a pastor's wife. Am I, Daddy? Pero parang papunta na doon. Sorry. The babies are here. They're not sleeping.
I just eating.
You're just eating. Ito kasi, talagang grabe kumain. Maliliit, pero frequent feeding. Yan, nagbe-bread na naman yan. Para every 2 hours, ginugutom. Na lang nandito. And para hindi niya ako gulin, I'm not yet done with the organizing. Ay, nasa school supplies pa lang ako na banda. So, our Fei Fei will paint. Na-trigger yung yung rhinitis ko lahat because of the dust. Saka yung sa smell na parang natago. Ang pangit talaga as in. Natatawa ako kasi I realize ba talagang importante na nag-organize kayo once in a while, kahit every 3 months pa yan or quarterly nyo siya ginagawa kasi it will help you know anong gamit nyo sa bahay kasi nakakatawa. Ang cabinet na yun is for our school supplies, tapos sa dagdag na anything na parang miscellaneous, pero yun nga, kasi hindi siya naka-organize, nakalagay lang siya anywhere. We don't know, hindi namin nakikita if need namin siya, especially with the kids. That's why I decided to do this. And matatawa kayo sa nakita ko. Wait lang. Nakakatawa is ganito. Meron akong group of scotch tape. Sobrang dami. As in, bili lang ako ng bili kasi akala ko wala na sa bahay. Tapos ang dami. Imagine. Katawa, sorry. Palagi bumibili ng scissors kasi akala ko wala kaming scissors kasi hindi ko na mahanap. 1, 2, sobrang dami. Then, ang dami din namin glue. Take note, this kind of glue. Ng lahat school glue. Ang dami ko ng glue stick. Dadan! Tapos ang daming erasers na last time Natapos ko na ginagawa ko, as in, I cleaned up, literally. Ang dami kong nilinis, and I'm so happy. After everything, na-trigger yung, talaga, nag-full blown na yung rhinitis ko, kaya uminom na ako ng gamot. Kasi we will have a huddle pa tonight. Grabe, sobrang kati ng mata ko and everything. Even yung nose ko, kaya sobrang hirap talaga. Tapos nakakatawa lang kasi sabi ko, before dumating mga bisita, I'll go up muna saka mag-rest dito sa room. Pero nung pagkaakyat ko, of course, galing dito yung mga bata. So, hindi nalinis yung room. So, as in, super naglinis pa ako. So, yung pahinga ko, hindi na nangyari. Kasi I think, andyan ang mga bisita. So, I'll go down na. Nakakatawa talaga, no? Is it just me? Or nakaka-relate ba kayong mga mommies? Ganyan di ba kayo? Sa room nila. We need to rest na talaga. Babawi kami to rest kasi tomorrow early pa kami. May mga dapat pang gawin. Then with the church, punta din kami kasi we have kasi every other Sunday nag-ano kami. Parang Bible study for the women's. Yun, nililid ko. So, we will have that tomorrow. Tapos, si Daddy kasi, yung niya kanina, di ba, nag-piano practice siya. Kasi siya magpa-piano tomorrow, to siya din yung mag-give ng sermon. So, it will be a full day. Parang yan naman kasi yung usual talaga namin na Sunday. Thank you for watching this video. If you are following us since the start, thank you so much for still being here. Really appreciate it. Parang, it's really our heart to share. Kahit, I'm not even really, I'm not sure kung may nakukuha pa ba kayo or are we sharing something to you guys. Pero, yun talaga yung nasa heart namin. So, thank you for watching again. And see you in the next one. Bye-bye! Good night!